what if you let artificial intelligence control every decision you make for an entire day? That was the challenge I gave myself. From the moment I woke up, I promised I wouldn't make a single important decision on my own. Instead, I asked AI what to do, when to do it, what to eat, how to work, and even how to spend my free time. I honestly expected AI to make my day easier, more productive, and maybe even a little more fun. But as the day went on, things didn't happen the way I expected. Some of AI's advice was surprisingly useful, while other suggestions made me question whether I should have trusted it in the first place. By the end of the day, I had learned something that completely changed the way I think about AI. The first thing AI told me was to avoid checking my phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up. Instead, it suggested drinking water. It also suggested stretching for a few minutes and writing down my three most important goals for the day. At first, it felt strange because my normal routine was completely different. I usually grab my phone the moment I wake up, but after following AI's advice, I actually felt calmer and more focused. It wasn't a dramatic, life-changing moment, but it was a better start than I expected. That gave me confidence that maybe AI really could have improved the rest of my day. When it was time to work, I asked AI to create a schedule for my tasks. It broke everything into small time blocks with short breaks in between. For the first couple of hours, I stayed focused much longer than usual. I wasn't constantly switching between apps or getting distracted, but then AI suggested taking a longer break to recharge. That sounded like a good idea, but the break quickly turned into scrolling videos and losing focus. That's when I realized something important. AI can give great advice, but it can't stop you from making bad decisions. Later in the day, I asked AI to recommend what I should eat. Instead of fast food, it suggested a simple meal with more protein, vegetables, and water. It also reminded me to walk for a few minutes after eating instead of sitting down immediately. These weren't revolutionary ideas, but they were practical. Following those small suggestions made me feel more energetic during the afternoon. It reminded me that sometimes the best improvements don't come from complicated technology. They come from consistently following simple habits. As the evening arrived, I asked AI one final question. What was the biggest mistake I made today? The answer surprised me. AI didn't say I had worked too little or chosen the wrong task. Instead, it pointed out that I expected technology to solve problems that only discipline can solve. That single sentence stayed in my mind. AI can organize your day, suggest better habits, and save you time, but it can't replace your own commitment. Without action, even the smartest AI becomes just another tool sitting on your screen. After spending an entire day following AI's advice, my opinion changed completely. I no longer see AI as something that will replace human thinking. Instead, I see it as a powerful assistant that helps me make better decisions faster. The real value doesn't come from letting AI control your life. It comes from knowing when to listen to its suggestions and when to trust your own judgment. That's the balance every AI user should learn if they want technology to improve their daily life. So, would I let AI control my entire day again? Yes, but I would do it differently. I would use AI as a guide instead of expecting it to have all the answers. This experiment showed me that artificial intelligence is incredibly useful, but it's not magic. The choices we make still matter the most. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one task you would trust AI to handle for an entire day? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this experiment and want to see more real AI challenges, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.